The key to great looking video is using light effectively. Natural light, sunlight, is the best light source. It is what the human eye has evolved to see. The color of sunlight changes throughout the day as the sun moves across the sky. When it is a clear sunny day, there is a high contrast between light and dark. On cloudy days, the color of sunlight is different, there are no shadows, and there is less contrast between light and dark. When working with sunlight, keep the sun behind you. You probably need to move the camera when shooting outside as the sun moves across the sky. When shooting inside, we usually do not have enough windows to let us rely on sunlight. Inside, we probably use artificial light. There are different types of artificial light, and each has a different color range, which is called color temperature. Sunlight has a wide spectrum. Incandescent light bulbs have little of the blue spectrum and is much redder than sunlight. Fluorescent lights have an odd, broken spectrum of colors. Fluorescent lights are not good choices for video production unless you use fluorescent lights balanced like sunlight. Fluorescent grow light bulbs can work well for video. Halogen lights, like incandescent, are too red and unbalanced for most video productions, though good video cameras let you set white balance so that most any light looks true white. When setting up artificial lights, they must be positioned carefully. The main lighting on your subject is called the key light. Fill lights, also called kickers, balance the key light and eliminate dark shadows on faces or across the scene. Backlights are behind your subject. They provide an outline of light around your subject's head, neck, and shoulders. Using key, fill, and backlighting looks professional and is called three-point lighting or rim lighting. Using three light sources makes your subject pop, which means they stand out against the background. When chroma keying or shooting directly against a background, it is important to use wash lights to light your background. This reduces the contrast between your subject and the background. Wash lights can be used to evenly light a background so that it has no shadow and that the camera sees it as one solid single color. Lights can be controlled with barn doors, scrims, and reflectors. Barn doors are flaps on a ring that fit across a light's lens. Scrims are small pieces of screen mounted to fit over the lens, softening strong shadows. Professional lighting systems can also be dimmed and colored with gels over the light. And don't forget to use reflectors to bounce light back towards your subject for more even lighting. Reflectors should be white or silver colored. White foam core boards, like Gator board, work great for reflectors.